there's this particular app that you can use to straightforwardly animate, that is from text to video immediately. You don't need to generate an image before converting it into animation. Do you get that? It has to just come directly, like from, and you can also use it from image to video, text to video. So guys, let's get started. I'll be showing you the app that you can use to generate animated videos all at once. So here's the app. Now this is the app you're going to be using. We'll just go back. This is the app you're going to be using, and the name of the app is Pixverse. The name of the app is Pixverse. Now in this app, you can use it to photo to video extend. That means you can extend your video from 5 seconds to, if you generated a 5 seconds video and you want it to be 10 seconds, you can use video extend to extend it. And then there is text to video. Now this particular one is the one we are going to be using, text to video, just to input your text and it will generate video for you in 5 seconds. That is, the video lasts for 5 seconds. It's a 5 seconds duration video, and then it has trending videos you can use for your images. Okay, here we have Warmth of Jesus. This one is currently on TikTok. It's currently trending on TikTok. Muzzle search, where you input a baby's picture and then it brings out muzzle, like, you know, and all that. Hug your love, hug, leggy run, alive arts. If you have an image that is an art, you can use this one. It will make the art move. Squish it. We have Venom. This one changes a human face to look like a Venom. So there are so many things you can use this app for. You can go you know, on your own to make your research, like use it for more stuff, practice with it to get to know what else it can do. Because today what we'll be doing is the text to video. So you click on text to video and then you go to your ChatGPT to copy your prompt. So that's what we are going to do right now. You go to your ChatGPT to copy your prompt. So we're going to our ChatGPT to copy our prompt. So I'm just going to use this prompt. Let's just use this one. So you just copy, you click on select, look for any one of the scene or chapter you want to create. So let's just create, let's just click on anyone for now. Let's click on this. So select this one. Select this one and then you go back to your Pixverse. Don't forget the name of the app is called Pixverse. So you click here and you input your text. You input your text. You can edit it the way you want. A skinny white cat. It's no longer skinny now. It's no longer skinny. Chubby white cat. At an orange color, chubby cat with striped marks and fluffy tail. So let's see what it gives us. So we're just going to click on this and wait for it to generate. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, it says your video is generating, so we're going to wait for it to generate. Let's wait for it to generate. So these are so many short videos you can do with the app. Anything at all. Muzzle search, like you just input your image and then it will make it look like this ones here. It's this, most of it are currently trending on TikTok. So it says our video has generated. Let's see. Okay, so guys, these were the ones I generated before. See, can you see? This was the ones I generated before. Like I used this. See it? So you can use it to transform your images. This was the ones I've used the app to generate. And you see that? Just make sure you put in. So these are the images I've used it to generate. So it keeps saying that it's okay, you just cancel. So whenever it says it takes too long to do whatever, all you need to do is click on that cancel sign and then you start again. So we're going to check the image that it has generated for us. I think it's ready. Yes, guys, this is the image it generated for us. I think it tried, even though the cat is now wearing a shirt. Oh god. So yes, this is the image it generated for us. So try the app out, you know, with whatever you want to do. Just go around it, play around it, try it out and get to see what it can do for you. You can use this to create a story. Yes, you can use it to even create your folktale story. You can generate any kind of image, not just animal images. And thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, share, like, and comment for more, because I'll be coming back with more amazing videos. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Mwah. Bye.